Hello everyone, so welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about recursion. Okay, so recursion is basically a function calling itself again and again. Okay, so whenever a function calls itself again and again, then we can call it as a recursive function. So what actually happens now when you're going to an interview or all thing like in React.js, Node.js, a situation will come where you need to write a recursive solution. Okay, so same will happen when you will interview, you are attending any kind of interview with wherever like they are asking you, wherever you are applying, sorry. So now in my case what actually happened, so they asked me like it was a simple question, like they asked me to write a simple logic to add all the numbers, like they will give me a limit till that number it should get added. Okay, so it was like for loop was not, like it was not allowed, so they said me ki you are not supposed to allow any for loop or any map or anything, so try something different. So see, when I thought about that, when I got to listen, when I got that question, so I understood what they were expecting. They were expecting recursions, so I should write a recursive function. So what actually happens, so many a time you are not going to get a direct call from interviewer asking you to write a recursive function. They will try to say you that you are not supposed to use if else, you are not supposed to use for loop or any of the loop. So when they say you like that, so understand they are expecting anything different, so you can try with recursive. Okay, recursion. So now it was like, as I said, the question is key addition of all numbers till 100 we will assume. Okay, so as of now we will assume addition of all number till 100, natural number, whatever he said me. Okay, so you can write recursion function, like I can write a function const my function equal to anything, like it's going to receive a parameter. Okay, so without receiving any parameter you cannot like write a recursive function. Okay, so there are two things inside recursion or recursive function. There are two things which you should follow. One is the termination. Any recursive function will have a terminating condition. If else, whatever you want to write inside it, the recursive function, you can write it, it will always have a terminating condition. Okay, and the second part is it will call the function itself. Okay, so now as our requirement is to add all the natural number till 100, so first we need to write the termination, like if the numbers whatever, like a is coming. Okay, I am assuming a, so you can write, I will just write num here, so it will be better. Okay, so if num is less than 100, I am saying if it is less than 100, till that count we are like, basically it will be like not less than, it will be less than equal to, but I am just assuming less than. Okay, so let's consider less than equal to 100. Then what we need to do, in this condition it should run, the code should run. Okay, the recursion should happen until unless it is 100. Okay, so this is going to be my terminating condition. So over here that's fine, and the other part is like return, so we are going to return the number in the other case. If it is terminating, then we are going to return the number. Let's see what actually over here we again need to do addition. So what we need to do, we need to write num, whatever number it will come, plus we will again call the same function. I am going to call the same function my now, but now with num plus 1, I have increased the value. So now if you will see, if you will, I will log. Okay, if I log and I will just pass 0. Okay, so it will start from 0, you can pass 1 also if you want. Okay, so 1, so you can see it will calculate the everything and it will, the output will be there. So actually I just need to call this function. Okay, with by passing 1 here, so we can see the output. So you can see it is 5151. So addition of this, so this will become more calculative things. Okay, I will just do it till 10. So for 10, or else we can do it for 5 for better understanding. So for 5 it should come 5 plus 5 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1, so it will become 1, this will become 6, 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 5 should be 15. so it became 21. So why it became 21? So the thing is, I started with 1. Okay, it become 1 plus it become 1. Okay, 1 plus, okay, again it will call the same function 1 plus 1, so it will be 1 plus 2 plus, it will again call 2 plus 1, it will become 3 plus, still the condition is correct, it came 3, so 3 become 3 is less than, so it will go 3 plus 1, so it will become 4. When it become 4, so it is still less than and equal to 5, so it will become 4 plus 1, so it will become plus 5. So when it will come here 5, so it is still equal to 5, so once it will go inside, so it will call using 6. Now this will call this function using 6 values, so only the answer is 21. Okay, so because I forgot that I wrote equal to also, so I don't go with equal to, I always go with less than part. So but as the requirement was there, I used equal to now. So now you can see this becomes 21, and when when 6 will come, when actual 6 will come, so it will not go inside this, the termination condition will come and it will return the value of num. So basically num will be equal to this, and all the calculation will be done and it will output will be there. So if you want just till 5, so you can write less than and it will give you 15. Same like that, so any number like 50, 500, whatever you write, just write the condition here, so this becomes, so you can get the addition of everything. Same for multiplication, division, whatever you add, this is basically a recursive function. In this what you learned is 2 part. Always remember 2 part. While writing a recursive function, you should know 2 part. First, the function should call itself, so over here we are calling itself, and the termination. If there is no terminating condition, the function will be running infinite loop and basically the output will not come. So this type of function, this type of question is going to be there while you are attending any of the interviews. So while I attended that interview when I was of more than 3 years of experience. Okay, so that one I am saying. So I think it's more than 2 years now. When they even like whenever I go for an interview question, like I ask for whenever I interview a candidate, so I used to ask them, like I don't go directly, indirectly I used to ask them about recursion. This type of question I used to ask them, so that see the option is few things only there. Whenever an interviewer asks you some questions with JavaScript, you can go with normal looping or operator, or you can use any of the array method, object method, or the thing is recursion. So entire thing will revolve around all this only. There will be nothing like more than that which you can expect. So for like more such content, you can follow me. Okay, so I will add more video, like since so long I was not there, so now I will continue with it. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, do comment. Okay, do comment and I will try to answer you if there will be any doubt for you. Thank you.